Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Yes, on Stitch. Here's Minnie Mouse over here to jump ropes. Oh, here's Spider-Man over here on the other side. They have all the barbecue good, right? So the grill mates are up here. I just see... Oh, wait a minute, because this box on the left about to fall. It's a whole thing. Okay, I got it. So, yes, they have this one and the chimichurri one. I don't see the black pepper one over here. Yeah, I wanted to pick up Hershey, another one of these bison bamboos. And she doesn't, I don't know. I'm going to grab this one anyway. The peanut butter one. It says Bamboos Dental. Chew toys for dogs under 25 pounds. She's 30, but she'll like to chew it. Yes, and the cart. Oh, this is perfect. I need one of these for Sydney. I'll get a black one. She's gonna be like, black? So let me get this one in the cart. Yes, on the end cap right here, Seinfeld is rocking Bugs. Pac-Man. I don't think I've seen those. There's Fred. Oh, nice. Winnie the Pooh. I don't think I've seen this color. Rockin'. Pepsi. Yes, on that. Barbie down there. Oh, nice. I haven't seen these since the first time I saw them. The jumbo mesh. These are nice. Like, luxurious. Yes, on that. Oh, here's some more over here. I think I'm good to go for the most part. The Tootsie Pop, right? I haven't seen that one. I haven't seen those Pringles. They are crazy with all of these socks. They're so darn cute. The s'mores. Nope, I haven't seen those. There's another Pac-Man over there. They are rocking. Yeah, look, Monopoly. Is this Jack Skellington? I feel like. I think so. Okay. This is in my hair right now. That is funny. I'm gonna grab this claw clip right here. Yes. And Nicker. Let me grab a few Icy Blasts. This is Kara's favorite. So yes on that. I'm gonna get a few of these. And Nicker. Crest Pro Health Gum Detoxify. I haven't seen this one, I feel like. So it's a ton of those. Oh, nice. They have the holes here too. I'm gonna get one more. Yes. And Nicker. Oh, you better stop it on that. Here's the menthol. Is that what these are? I feel like. The menthol liptus flavor. Yeah, what's the other one? The cherry, I feel like. Yes, cherry flavor. So they have them both. Get out of here. I didn't realize. I got to get these too. And Nicker, you know what I saw? Mucus. All this mucus really walking down the aisle, right? So the first thing I thought about was the Mucinex. Hubby loves that Mucinex, girl. Ready in case, maximum strength, mucus relief, compares to the active ingredient. You better stop it on that Mucinex. Yes, I'm going to get it. 14 extended relief tablets in the cart. Oh, now I'm seeing these everywhere. Yes on that. These are the Vaseline dupes. Oh, look at the aliens Band-Aids. That's cute. What? Kellogg's Grams chocolate chip grips. Yeah, it's 3 in here, whatever this is, and chocolate chip. Yes on that. So that's rocking. I'm like in between aisles and I saw this. 4 Rice Krispie treats in there. And I feel like this might be animal cookies or something, but it's turned around the other way. Oh, what is it? Scooby-Doo. You know, all of this crunchy noise is getting on my nerves. I'm getting on my own nerves. Oh my goodness. Oh, baked graham cracker snacks with chocolate. That's funny. 4 in there. Oh, look at the Skinny Pop down here. Yeah, I don't remember seeing this. The original, the white cheddar, dairy-free on that, and sweet and salty kettle corn. Is that the same thing? Wait a minute, hold on. And this one right here, isn't that the same thing? Let me put it. Skinny Pop, sweet and salty popcorn, right? Kettle corn. Yeah, kettle corn. I think it's the same thing. It got me all the way messed up because of the packaging. But all the words say the same thing. Oh my goodness. But yes on that. I need to eat this in the car. I'm starving. In the car. Oh, this is fun. I don't know how long this has been out. This is the first time I've seen it. The iced latte, the Hostess Twinkies. That's probably so good. Why? I looked at this. It's Sparkling Splash Refresher, right? This is kiwi watermelon. Girl, looking up at it, I thought it said salad. What, what the hell? Oh my goodness. Blood orange is rocking. Which one is this? Rocket freeze. All right. Miss Girl, salad. Oh, here these go again. Annie's, the gluten-free chewy granola bars. I did grab that already. You know what this reminds me of? That's because I was just watching a movie, 13 Going on 30, with Jennifer Gardner, right? And she was in the meeting, and she had the fruit roll-up wrapped around her finger. Miss Girl eating it in the meeting. Oh, my goodness. So, yeah, I don't see anything over here new. Wait a minute. I picked up, too, a blueberry cheesecake muffin mix. I think hubby would 100% rock, him and Sydney. Yes, in the cart. Here are some brownie bites, too. It says new look, same taste. So it's a different packaging. So that's rocking. Just add egg and oil. Yeah, I think we all good to go over here. Here's that Texas barbecue. I just used this on my ribs. Yes, on that. Oh, here's that hot honey again. I did pick this up. Oh, this is a cute bottle. Crunchy chili onion. Oh, get out of here. Is this like the one in Trader? Is it Trader? I feel like. I think so. Yes, on that. In the cart. I saw that it's another one. I haven't seen that one yet. I keep running across this one. So yeah, I'm looking for that. Yes, on the initials over here. I don't see a T. I see R, B, L, J is rocking. Oh, here's some organic college and beef broth. I haven't seen that here yet either. In the cart. Yeah, I see the regular by Swanson, the beef and the chicken. Yeah, this college and one. If I did, it's been a long time. But I don't have any that's organic right now, so that's right on time. Miss Girl on the 175, but I need them. I'm going to grab a couple foil pans. I'm going to grab 2 of these too. These have the tops. If I'm going to get them, I might as well get the tops too, right? Oh, look, the tortilla warmer is here. But yes, in the cart. All right, let me see what's rocking in the pans. I got this one too. It's 2 in here. And I put everything in here, right? The beef broth. Yes, on this blueberry cheesecake. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to try this. Right, I got the hair clips, some bambos. Yes, on the mucus relief. I'm going to eat this right now in the car. Some more Halls. I grabbed these, which I didn't even know they had, and some toothpaste. So I think, yeah, quick and fast. I think I'm good to go. I'll see you soon. Bye. I was walking out. They have the grill trays here. It's a 2-piece. All right, bye. Hey, guys. I'm at Dollar Tree. Multiple purpose cement and all-purpose adhesive for common household repairs. Dries clear, rigid bond, precision nozzle. So you can use it on wood, metal, ceramic, china, porcelain, leather, fabric, and most plastics. I only picked it up because of the black and white. Like it will look like a bumblebee kind of situation rocking. I haven't seen that before. Only because I was over here looking for my nail glue. Yes. In the cart. I think I will grab this though. I needed glue for something the other day and I didn't have any, so I'm just gonna grab this for the just in cases. In the cart. Here we go. Personal care all over body mineral deodorant. This is unscented. I've never seen this before. 24-hour all day use. It compares to the crystal mineral deodorant spray. Get out of here. So that's rocking. In the cart. Oh, here is the lavender and white tea one too. I'm gonna get them both. In the cart. More of the 2-packs. Hair Chemist Limited Caviar Hair Care Rejuvenating Hair Mask. So it's 2 in here. So that's rocking. And this one, African Royale Hot 6 Thick and Long. Oh, it's a protein treatment. So it's 2 packs in here too. Oh, I'm used to seeing this one. The Sleek, right? The hair bonnet. Here, this one is in green. S and G. S plus G. Yeah, and I love that pretty green too. I'm gonna grab it in the cart. Here's a pink and a purple one here. So that's right on time. One for each of us. Yes, in the cart. Oh, they have wig caps now too. Oh, this is a 3-piece. This color and this. Oh, it's 3 different colors here. This one and this one right here. So that's rocking. These people got it going on. And here's a satin wrap cap with Velcro. So that's rocking. Oh, nice. I've never seen them all in a box before. This just gave me Walmart vibes, I feel like. It's a ton of them. You know, I don't think I've ever seen prune juice here. 100% prune juice, so that's rocking. Oh, I feel like I haven't seen this. The packaging, right? That's kind of fire. Makeup cleansing wipes with the coconut oil with vitamin A, C, and E. It's 30 wipes in here. Yes on that. In the cart. Adios, meal. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me reach in. I feel like I haven't seen this design. That's super cute. The eyelash case with the mirror. I feel like I've seen the rest of them now. So I think that's new, but I'm not sure. What I didn't see walking in was any dishes. So I was gonna say the new dishes, right? That is heavy and pretty. Oh my goodness. That is really pretty. It's scalloped on the edges too, I feel like. So these are the only ones I see, and they come with these pretty chargers. That's what I want. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I only see this plate here. Yes. On the black and white. Oh my goodness, but this is all I see. Yes, here they go right here. Oh my goodness. That is so pretty, so me. Oh my goodness. I need to decide. I don't want to go crazy with it, you know what I mean? But I definitely, let me think while I'm lifting right in the cart. I don't think I've seen these either. Look at that. That whole scallop situation going all the way around. That is different. I don't think I've seen these anywhere. I don't know if they're old or new. They look kind of worn. I was trying to find one that wasn't scratched, but they're all scratched up in the middle like that. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay, so I grabbed these already. The Cozy Woods and Amber. I didn't realize, I was getting ready to say it was another flavor. Miss Girl. I didn't realize it was another scent. Citrus Blossom and Bamboo. Let me see how this is rocking. I'm not 100% sold on it. It's strong, it's nice, but it's something that is not rocking with me. I don't know what it is. But back in the box. So Madison Street is rocking with the horseradish. This is hot and zesty. I feel like hubby would like that. Here's some mayo, and some tartar is rocking. So yeah, I think I'm gonna grab this in the cart. Okay, I only see one. Darn it. The instant protein oatmeal real gourmet banana caramel. Darn it, I only see one. Let me see. Oh, they're all down here. I am all the way on the floor. Yeah, let me grab. I think I'm gonna grab two in the cart. You know, out of all the frostings, they always have like the different colors, right? I don't think I've ever seen buttercream. So that's here. Yeah, I feel like I haven't seen that. Cream cheese is rocking, vanilla chocolate, strawberry, the green vanilla. Yeah, the aqua blue is rocking. Okay. Oh, down here with the spray. Everything on the floor. Girl, I'm back on the floor. Healthy Chef, the girl spray, non-stick grilling with vegetable oil. So that's rocking. So s'mores granola bites to keep you going just because. Woman owned. 3-pack under 90 calories. So s'mores and granola together, 100%. In the cart. I don't know that we saw these masks by Be Pure. The hydrating oxygen, they're all bubbling masks. This is the strawberry daiquiri. Illuminating oxygen is the martini. Passionate, what's that say? Oh, Miss Girl. Passion fruit, oh my goodness. And nourishing oxygen is the lime and the mint mojito. Oh, girl, that was funny. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I probably do. In the car. All right, let me see what's rocking. So the mask, right? Yes, on the oatmeal. So I put one back because of the caramel. I'm not sure if I'm a rock, but I did grab 2 bags of these. The horseradish for hubby, right? The coconut oil cleansing wipes. I don't know if these are new or not. The color just got me. I don't know. but I'm gonna get them anyway. I feel like I don't have them, so the hair bonnet, right? Some glue and things, nail glue. I decided to get 3 of the chargers. So yes on that. All right, they're so pretty. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Yes. What was I thinking? You know what happened? It was a crowd of people, and I saw the black and white dishes on the other side. So I just assumed, you know, they didn't have them. So these were on the other side of the black and white. So yes on that. They're so pretty, the seashells. So this is the small plate. Yeah, it has that like scallop around the edges. That's pretty. And here are the mugs. Ocean breeze puts the mind at ease. Yes on that. And then here's the plain one, you know, with no words. Okay. Here, oh, you know what I don't see? Oh, here they are. I was going to say I didn't see these. So I don't know if the pot holders and the oven mitts come. Yeah, this has the words on it, but this one doesn't. So I wonder if they're vice versa. You know what I mean? So that's rocking. We saw the big plates, and then Stay Wild Moonchild. Yes, no. That is cute. That's here. So yeah, they do have them. I'm so glad I saw it on the way out. Yes. All right, bye.